Yeah. P is plus 2 nanocoulomb point charge. X is a point 6 centimeters away from charge P, as shown in the diagram below. Now calculate the magnitude of electric field at X. Now, but electric field E, electric field E, electric field E. Now, electric field is equal to K QP all over R squared. That is 9 times 10 to the power of 9. We charge P or 2 times 10 to the power of minus 9. Then we have 6 mass converter from 6 centimeters to meters times by 10 to the power of minus 2, or divide by 100. Nano 9 it's times 10 to the power of minus 9. Now let's share calculator and electric field. 9 times 10 to the power of 9, 2 times 10 to the power of minus 9, then the distance times 10 to the power of minus 2 all squared. So 5,000 nanocoulombs. Point S with a charge of negative 2 nanocoulombs is placed 4 centimeters to the right of charge P, as shown in the diagram below. Draw the resultant electric field pattern due to the two charges S and P. So lo munye u-S, u-P u-positive, u-S u-negative. So the electric field pattern between them iyahlangana, iyahlangana, iyahlangana. Mhlawumbe singayiphinde siyihlanganise futhi. Akufanele ingene ngaphakathi. Yabo uma ingena kanje phakathi i-wrong, noma ingena kanje i-wrong, noma enye igibela kwenye ngo-wrong lokho asikwenzi. Now ayiphelele manje. Kufanele kube khona namanye akhombisa ukuthi afuna ukuzohlangana since u-P no-S ba-attractana. Kufanele kube khona nomunye okhomba ukuthi bese kuba khona oqondayo laphaya. Sekuba khona oqondayo. So ku-positive siyaphuma, ku-negative siyangena. Positive siyaphuma, negative siyangena. Negative ngena, positive phuma. So into ethi njeya kahle kahle. Injeya into yethu. So wena-ke usungenza kanje phakathi so that ngeke kuze kunakeke. Usungayishada phakathi ngomsizi wakho so that akunakeki ukuthi wena umsizi wakho utshopelile wangena phakathi kwisayidi. Umsizi wakho wangena laphaya so ngathi shade phakathi ngomsizi. Now 7.3, a third point charge T is placed 2 centimeters to the right of S, as shown in the diagram below. Point charge T experiences the net electrostatic force of 2,5 times 10 to the power of minus 4 newtons to the left. Now, uthi uzizwa eya kwa-left experience in-net electrostatic force due to the 2 point charges. Uzizwa kufanele abe attracted to the left. So sesingabheka-ke ukuthi uthi yena fanele abe njani? Fanele abe positive na noma fanele abe negative? Sesizoyikhulumisa-ke leyo ndaba leyo. Sesizoyikhulumisa leyo ndaba ukuthi uthi yena fanele abe njani. But before sifika lapho ukuthi fanele abe njani, let us state the Coulomb's law in words. Uthini uCoulomb's law in words? Uthi the magnitude of the electrostatic force exerted by one point charge on another point charge is directly proportional to the product of the magnitude of their charges and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Okay, sesiyamazi uCoulomb's law in words. Now, bathi, what is the polarity of charge T? Choose from positive or negative. Babuza ukuthi uphi ngabe upositive yini noma negative. Okay, ake sisule lokho. Ngokwami ukuhlaziya, okay, la ama-charge omabili ayalingana ukuthi le enye i-positive, le enye njani? Negative, but ayalingana ama-charge. Then we have T la esingamazi ukuthi i-charge yakho ubani, futhi esingamazi u-negative noma u-positive. Ngokwami uthi kufanele ukube loyana ukwi-distance efanayo nalo ubani nalo u-2 centimeter away from T, bekufanele ukuthi uthi a-experience i-force efanayo noma elinganayo ku-S nakubani naku-T. Ngenze nje umzekelo ukuba u-P ubebekwe la u-P naye ewu-2 centimeter away from T, bekufanele noma ngabe u-positive bekufanele a-experience i-force enjani elinganayo. So njengamanje sesifuna ukwazi ubani-ke ozokwenza ukuthi uthi a-experience i-force enkulu kunomunye phakathi ka-S nobani no-P. Ukhumbule masibuka le formula le, okay, all over R squared. Okay, lana-ke kuno-K, kuno-Q1, kuno-Q2. But masibuka lo naloya, if i-distance iba ncane, lo uzoba mkhulu. If i-distance iba nkulu, loya uzoba mncane. So, ngibuka-ke mina ukuthi u-S no-T, u-T uzo-experience i-force enkulu between u-S no-T ngoba i-distance incane. But nawubuka u-T no-P, u-T uzo-experience i-force encane mawubuka between u-T nobani no-P. Why ibe ncane i-force? U-T ayizo-experience due to P ingoba i-distance inkulu, i-distance between bona. So, into-ke engibonayo mina ukuthi ukuthila uzogcina eba-attracted to the left. Nguzo-attractwa ukuthi loya u-negative. So, kusho ukuthi yena fanele abe positive. Uthi fanele azizwe eshona kuphi? Kwa-left. Ngoba u-S useduzane no-T, i-distance incane. So u-S, u-T fanele experience i-force enkulu due to S ngoba distance between bona injani incane. Ngokwami ukuhlaziya, angazi omunye bengahlaziya thini. Ngokwami ukuhlaziya ngihlaziye kanjalo ukuthi okay, u-T yena fanele abe positive, u-T fanele abe positive ngoba u-T fanele experience i-force enkulu uma umbuka no-S kunobani kuno-P, since u-P kude kuno-T, then lana kuzoba positive. Now sebethi calculate the magnitude of charge T. So kwenza kanjena-ke, calculate ngisho kanje sikhande ispace la sizoba sikhulu, sithi ukuba nespace esikhulu. Okay, singaqala-ke si-draw a free body diagram kuqala. I-free body diagram kabani ka-T due to P and S. Since uthi sithe u-positive, u-T mayibona u-S uzoya kuphi? Wa-left. So kuzoba u-F S on T. U-T uzoya kwa-right mayibona u-P kuzoba u-F S, asike F P on T. Sibhale kahle, FP on bani? On T. Okusho ukuthi ngamanye amagama sithe u-FS, FST fanele abe mkhulu, kusho ukuthi Fnet naye fanele ayikuphi? Ayikwa-right. Futhi Fnet wethu bathini? Bathe asike siya kwa-left. So fanele aye la khona uthi azo-experience khona i-force enkulu. Bathe u-negative lapha to the left. Okay, so u-F net wethu esingasho thina ukuthi okay kuya kwa-left ku-negative, kuya kwa-right ku-positive. Sesingasho sithi F net is equal to ngifuna njalo ukhanda ispace la sibe sikhulu. So F net is equal to, so oya kwa-right u-positive u-FP on T minus Fs on T. So lo siyamazi u-2,5 times 10 to the power of minus 4. Lo kuzoba okay, QP QT all over R squared. Lona kuzoba okay, QS QT all over R squared. Now 2,5 times 10 to the power of minus 4. K on 9 times 10 to the power of 9. QP siyamazi 2 times 10 to the power of minus 9. QT sifuna yena. So i-distance between QP and QT was 6. 6 times 10 to the power of minus 6. Or, this case not minus 6, in total minus 6. Minus 2. Kumbule. Centimeters to meters, we divide by 100. Minus 9 times 10 to the power of 9. QS, 2 times 10 to the power of minus 9. Then go about QT. The distance between S and T, 2 times 10 to the power of minus 2. Okay, singakhohlwa-ke ukuthi mangabe sifaka u-S lapha simfake positive, i-sign already sesideterminile using free body diagram. So kufanele sigcine sinento nje. So ke sibuke u-P no-T, P P not 0,6. Yes. So ekugcineni mawushaya i-calculator laba bangama-like terms laba mawubabheka ake sibabuke laba bangama-like terms laba. So ungashaya lo i-calculator umhlanganise nalo fanele bakukhiphele u-QT i-coefficient ka-QT ukuthi uba. So fanele sibe nobani no-QT la eceleni. Then la uzoshaya i-calculator subtract. So uzothi 9 times 10 to the power of 9 multiplied by 2 to the power of minus 9 all over 6 times 10 to the power of 6 times 10 to the power of minus 2 all squared. Nakhohlwa squared laphaya. Then minus 9 times 10 9 times 10 to the power of 9 2 times 10 to the power of minus 9 all over 2 times 10 to the power of minus 2 all squared. Hey, where did I go wrong? Okay. So la mina ngithola okay. Loyana ukhumbule F net yakwa left kufanele abe negative. Ngithola u-minus 40,000 minus 2,5 times 10 to the power of minus 4. So minus 40,000 on both sides. Minus 40,000 on both sides. Then uQT uzolingana nobani? Then negative 2,5 times 10 to the power of minus 4 all over an answer. Answer yethu positive 6,25 times 10 to the power of minus 9 coulombs. So iyona answer yethu-ke le kufanele siyithole okuyi-charge kabani ka-T. Okuyi-charge kabani ka-T.